Hello there and welcome back to Corbin Does Something. Today we have a very special treat for you.
Pickle surprise!
I'm going to teach you how to set up a security system for under $100, probably a little bit more than $100 when you get it all going and want to add to it. So what we have is the WyzeCam. Now these little babies here are roughly $20-25 a piece. Back on Prime Day I thought I was getting a steal, and then I found out it's the regular price. This has literally been sitting since Prime Day because I haven't had a chance to set it up, and now it's winter and I'm going to be setting it up in the winter time.
I was frozen
here we have the
today.
WyzeCam, you can do cloud storage. It does come with 2 weeks for free. I believe they have a plan where it's $1.99 a month, which is way cheaper than everyone else. I think they're usually like $20. You can also just put an SD card in and record whenever there's motion. So 24/7 I think is what it is. I have 32 gig SD cards that I can put into this. We'll go ahead and test one of these out, get it hooked up. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box here. Okay, well, in the box. Wow! Now this is one tiny camera.
It was tiny!
Yeah, look at that. You can see right in here. You have a power adapter and a USB. Does it power off USB? I thought it powered off USB. Yeah, powers off USB. I don't know. Oh, you run this USB to another camera, I think. So this is supposed to have a microphone and a little sensor. It's got this cool little swivel mount. I like that. So we have this. Let's go ahead and hop into here. Now I did buy a USB cable, 2 of them actually. These are 25 footers. I got these just for the power for this, and I might not need it because one of the, well, I'll need one. This was $10. So, but this looks like, oh, you got a little strip if you want to tape it onto something. I'll actually use that for some other purpose.
What's wrong with you?
But yeah, nice little flat USB cable. This is actually the perfect length for the front porch, I think. Oh, it's a metal adapter. Okay, so all right. Not looking at the instructions.
Strike that. Reverse it.
But I'm gonna look real quick. It doesn't really say. It doesn't. So I'm thinking this goes on here, and then you plop, and it connects. So this will go on to your other thing. I'm going to use that for something else. I think that's brilliant, though. Then you have this charger.
Subscribe, share, like, subscribe, comment, like, comment, share, like, subscribe.
This might be a little big. I might have a smaller charger that I'll probably end up using, a charging block, and that's about it in the package here. So wow, this is really tiny. Let me grab the outdoor mount. I forgot to bring that in. This is a mounting kit for outdoors for the WyzeCam. Now the WyzeCam is not supported for outdoors. However, everyone installs it with these. Now, you probably can see that dust. This is how long it's been sitting.
You sicken me.
The box got dusty. So, we're going to go ahead, pop this open, and this comes 3 in a pack. You have your mounting brackets, 3. Oh, nice. So they separate them 3 at a time. I'm going to pull one out. it looks like here's some instructions too. So we'll take a look at those. Alright, so this looks like, oh, nice. So it gives you a little template. You drill the holes in right where those are, so that way everything fits in fine. Fix the base on the wall with the 3 screws. Plug the base screw in, and that's about it. Run your charger. Okay. So I'm gonna actually put this together here, just so you can see, because when I install it, I'll show you how it looks when it's installed, but I'm not gonna bother with that, the rest of that. So this is actually, this is a regular camera mount. I'm gonna take this and put it in here. Oh, it makes that nice little clipping noise. The one thing I did forget was to plug in the USB cord. Now I have to, how do I get it out?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh yeah!
Oh, that's annoying. Okay, well I got the top off, and I guess the bottom's just gonna slide right through. So we'll put. All right. So that seems easy enough. This is gonna be pretty simple. I will show you the end of that. We're gonna move on to the next part here, though. All right. So the next part is a piece that, when I finally got it, I said, all right, it's time to do. This is the
Subscribe, comment, subscribe, share, like, subscribe, comment, subscribe.
WyzeSense starter kit. So now what comes in this box, and this might surprise you, is 1 motion sensor, battery installed, 2 contact sensors, battery installed, and 1 Wyze sensor bridge. Now, I don't know what a sensor bridge is, so this I will need to read the instructions. So it looks like it's right out of the box, comes in another box. There's a little pin thing here. Typically this is used for SD cards and stuff like that, so I'm wondering if there's something else I have to take apart. So here is a thing. I don't know what that is. I don't know what the sensor bridge is, so we'll have to look at that. This looks like it goes on the back of a camera, where that gets stuck again. I mean, it literally looks like it fits right there, so I'm not really sure. Then we have the contact sensor. This is real nice and small. This is for windows and doors. This is perfect. You just put this baby in on a door, and it tells you if it's open. So I like that. So there's 2 of these. There's magnets in here. You can feel it. No, there is magnets. Okay. All right.
Fucking magnets.
Yeah.
How do they
All
work?
right. Yeah. All right. So there are magnets. This is a motion sensor. So look at this little guy. This is going to tell you when there's motion. I don't know where I'd put this. So we have the bridge, motion sensor. Let's see the starter kit here. This I'm going to actually have to read. So this seems real simple and easy. I'm going to go ahead and update the firmware on the cameras, and then I will screw it into the wall, set it all up, and show you how it works. I also I'll have the app on my phone, but one thing that my cousin had that I really liked was a hub. My old Android tablet is too old. It runs 4.4. You need at least 5. So I am looking on Facebook Marketplace. So again, real quick, each one of these cameras, $25. I have 2 of them, so $50. This set here was $20, so you're looking at $70. And then this here was $10, so that's $80. And then these, I think they were on sale. I think they were like $10. This is optional if the cord doesn't reach. So we're looking at $90 so far, plus that tablet for $60, $140, and it's a complete system. So I think 2 cameras is enough for me. I'll have one on the garage, one on the front porch. That way I can see everything in my backyard as well as what's coming up the driveway, and then I can see my front porch for people stealing packages. So I think this is a great idea. I want to try it. I can't wait to have it done. You guys are gonna love it. Okay? Alright, here we go, and now we're there. Alright guys, you can see this is the one for my garage. It's gonna be able to see all of this. I'll see if I can get a video from the camera itself. I went ahead and ran this right through and down. There's a little USB port right here, or not USB, but outlet here that I actually didn't know about. So I don't need these 25 footers, I don't think. So that's one set up. So here we have the front door camera, and that will be able to see the front door. So I ran the wire up here. When it's warmer, I'll be able to adjust that a little bit more. One thing I did do is that, well, inside here there is a little bulb socket, light bulb socket, and then I drilled a hole into the top here and ran the cord up there. You can see all that wires in there. It does work. It's a motion sensor that goes on at dusk, so it won't come on anytime soon. But that's all set. Time for this. I have this installed right here. It's just double-sided tape. Keep it within 2 centimeters. I put this right here so that way they'd be as close as possible. Real nice and easy. You just poke in on the side here to activate it. The battery's supposed to last for a long time, and Wyze will warn you when it's low, so it should be good. But here. Waiting for the alert. Oh, because I'm recording, it muted the sound. Okay, well, it's in my notifications, so there you go. All right. This is actually my basement stairs. I decided to put the motion sensor right there. The reason for that is if there's anyone coming downstairs at night, that's what the rule will be. It'll alert me because I'm the only one that goes in the basement at night, I guess. And it'll also alert me if the side door opens. So admire the artwork. I made that when I was little. My grandpa taught me how to hammer nails in without hitting my thumb.
The hammer is my penis.
I was probably about maybe 3 or 4. So got really good at it. Alright guys, here we go. We have the tablet. I didn't do a good job of getting that screen protector and squeezing out those bubbles, but I did have to modify it a little bit if the camera will catch it. Pretty much this was a solid piece in the middle here. I had to get rid of that, and the reason for that is there you go, you can kind of see it now. The cord that I bought would not fit in, so it's one of these babies, and it kept getting stopped. And I wanted a more inconspicuous cord. This will cover what I cut up. Yeah, definitely nice 10-foot cord. Still gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna run power to this thing, but go from there and start filming everything else. But you can also see the hooks on the back. Goes on really nice. And you can see it's hooked there, or hooked like that. So works out great. Let's go ahead and turn that on. And yeah, I'm self-absorbed, I get it. Whoa, wrong button. Let's grab the Wyze app, and there you go. I can see everything on there. If I turn it, it actually looks way better, and I can do actually picture-in-picture here. It's a little finicky. Let's see if I can kick it into the right spot. So it takes a little bit of playing with. If you start the app in portrait mode, go into the group camera, and then flip it, you'll be able to do picture-in-picture like this. And then I can come over here and select whatever I want it to be. So let's just go with camera, or calendar rather. And then you can see calendar, it's all set up. We also have where it will turn off after 30 seconds or so, but that's been kind of flaky. Anytime that there is a notification sent to the camera or to the tablet, it will turn back on though. So, oh, see, it's dimming right now. Okay, now it's off. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a door. And I guess we'll go this way so you can see it. Don't worry, we're almost there. Ow. And yeah, I'm self-absorbed, I get it. Oh, walking backwards and not paying attention. I'm opening my front door. I don't know what's taking it so long. There it is. So normally it's a lot quicker, but when I'm recording it's bad. I took off the swipe feature so it just turns on when I want it on. So
Swiper, no swiping.
that's good. There's no lock screen, so everything should be good. This will fall asleep. I do need to figure out how to run the cord, but that's neither here nor there. I'm either going to run it down into the basement and plug it in somewhere down there, or connect it to an outlet on the back end, and you won't find out. So everything's great and wonderful in this life. So this is all set up, and I hope you enjoyed that video. All right, so you can see everything is installed, ready to go. It is really nice to be able to see everything from my phone. It's authenticating right now. Ooh, light came on. I got the Android Galaxy Tab E to better work with upstairs, and you saw that earlier in the video. It works really well. It's a little janky on getting the multiple windows working, but I'll be playing with that a little bit. It does only run Android 7, which means I am limited in some features, but for 60 bucks, it was great. The regular 150 new, so all right. Well, that's all I got for you. If you guys like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you share this video and go from there. All right, have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. You like me yet?